My name's Helen Mathieu. I'm a grassland and forage production specialist with Germinal. We're here today in the beautiful Shropshire countryside looking at multi-species swards. So at Germinal we've put together various multi-species mixtures, but the one that we found to be the most successful, that suits most livestock systems, is our multi-species grazing, which contains quite simply two grasses, the Aber high sugar grass and perennial ryegrass and timothy, our red and white clovers, and then the plantain and chicory. So essentially just those 6 different types give us the multi-species that we're looking for. The multi-species, it's herbs, legumes and grasses. What we're trying to achieve with multi-species leys is get this blend of grasses, legumes and herbs to suit your system. Our most successful mixture is our multi-species grazing, which is sort of perennial ryegrass, Aber perennial ryegrass is timothy, a red clover and white clover, and then plantain and chicory. And that does very well across a lot of different livestock systems. And generally that will suit most sort of situations. You might tweak it, a little bit if a situation where there's a lot of ewes grazing a multi-species sward and therefore we need to take out the red clover, or if the ley is going to be mown more regularly, we reduce or even remove the chicory. So there are certain sort of management systems that suit tweaks to multi-species mixtures, and we would also produce a multi-species cutting mixture which might start life with vetch, which obviously are not perennial plants, but they help bulk it up for the first year or two, and then we get into the nice grazing type of multi-species mixture. So we do adjust the species or the varieties within the species slightly to suit the management system of that particular farm.